Okay, hi Jammers, this is Spark Kitty 2017 again. Today I'm going to show you the animals of Crystal Reef. Okay, first off, oh my gosh, just a minute. Angel, it's okay, it's alright. It's okay. Shh. Sorry, my dog. First off, we have the trickiest, which I had troubles on. The clownfish. The clownfish is right here. Okay? And then the flounder right here, he kind of camouflages. His eyes are right there. Well, there's the clownfish. The lobster. And there's a whale that comes straight through here. You might have saw it on my other video. There's a stingray. Right there, there's a stingray. I'm still asleep this morning. Okay. The swordfish, he comes through here, through this area where my mouse is circling. Okay. These are these tube coral things. Right here are the little things. They're pretty hard to click. I had troubles clicking on them. The puffer fish. See, there's a whale right there. Okay, there's the whale. Okay, the puffer fish is right here. Okay, I'm on it. Okay, there's the puffer fish, and there's the swordfish. And there's the stuff that goes in and out. The plant that goes in and out. And there's the coral that I showed you on my book. There's the coral right there. And one more thing. There's the brain coral, which is right next to this creepy-ish plant. Okay? There's the brain coral. And that is it for underwater and all over the Animal Jam planet. Okay? So, my next video will be about F-Man at my den. Well, first let me change animals. Yeah, I'm starting a collection. A plushie collection. Okay? Yeah. We're going to do about F-Man 122 and other scammers and hackers and how to keep away from them. Well, it might be more than one video, like part 1 and part 2 and stuff. Okay, and that is it. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned with me. Remember to put your likes at the bottom here. You can try to buddy me if you want. And yeah, stay tuned. I'm always on Animal Jam, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.